How to post in a Facebook group in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can post in a Facebook group in Meta Business Suite. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your Meta Business Suite account just like I have done here. And then for you to be able to post in a Facebook group, you have to ensure that you have joined a Facebook group already with your Facebook page. And how do you do so? After logging into your Meta Business Suite, go to the left side of the screen, click on the settings option. Then after that, once you are brought to the settings page, at the left side of the screen, you'll see some options, right? Under your account, just go ahead and select pages. Okay? So after selecting pages, you'll be taken to your pages, and then you'll see the number of pages that you have added to your Meta Business Suite account. So once you can see the number of pages, the next step would be to select the page that you would like to check out its group. For me, I only have a page, so I'll just be selecting the page now. Alright, so after selecting the page, details about the page will be rolled out as well. And then once the details are rolled out, just go to the top part of the screen, click on the more option button, and then click on view on Facebook. Then you wait for it to load. So once this page has loaded, the next thing that you can do is to move downwards, and then you can see different things on your account. Then in this tab you can see posts, about, mentions. Move to the more options and then click on it. After clicking on the more option, once it has loaded, you will see the group option there. All right, mine is not displaying because I currently have a poor access to internet connection, but as you can see, it's loading. So once it has loaded, you see the groups option. Once you can see this, click on it. Once you click on groups, you see the number of groups that you've joined. And then if you've not joined any group, it will also show you that you have 0 groups. So if that is your own case, ensure you join a group with this page of yours. And then after joining a group, next thing to do is to go back to your Meta Business Suite account. Then move to the left side of the screen, click on your content option. Then on the contents page, move to the top right corner, click on create post. And then on this page, you can see post soon. If you have joined a group on your using your Facebook page, by the time you click on this drop down menu, you will see your Facebook groups being displayed here. So you can now go ahead and select the group that you would want this post to go to. Currently, I have not joined any group using my own Facebook page. That is why this is only displaying my Facebook page and my Instagram account. But if you have a Facebook a group added already, you will see them here. So just check or select the groups that you want the post to go to. Close the drop down menu, add the photo or the video that you'd like to post, add details about your post, click on published, and just like that, your post will be sent or published to those groups that you've selected. So that is how to go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.